Paramount presents dating. It can involve you too. In dating, there is a boy, and in most states, a girl.
Hi, I'm a girl.
Hi, I'm a boy.
The first idea is to find the girl that's right for you.
In this case, that would be me.
Absolutely.
Ooh, doggy.
Once a boy finds interest in a girl, he should ask her out in the socially accepted way.
Yo, bitch, let's go get drunk.
It would usually involve a telephone.
Oh, okay. Ring, ring. Hello.
Yo, bitch, let's go get drunk.
Isn't that better? Next, you two should discuss where to take the date.
Well, Chuck, we went, oh, wait. What's time did they say?
Let's go over to my place. I've got a keg.
Make sure not to rush things along too quickly. You like there to be excitement in a couple days, wouldn't you?
Yeah. So we're going to your place then?
Yeah, my parents are gone for the weekend. We should have the whole place to ourselves.
Make sure to find a spot that is convenient for both of you.
This couch folds out into a bed.
Wow. I'm easy.
Make sure you create interesting conversation between the two of you.
I got so drunk one night, I puked all over my shoes.
Really? Once I slept with so many guys, I forgot how many it was. And then when I got when I had to go to the doctors, I didn't know who got me the disease.
Interesting conversation topics like these are easy to find. The possibilities of conversation are endless. Make sure not to be a bore for your date.
So I'm not wearing any underwear.
Neither am I.
Be sure to have your date home by 10 or 10:30.
So I'll go home next week then? I've been kicked out of the house, you understand?
That's okay. You can stay with me. My parents are in Bermuda or something.
Yummy!
Hopefully your date will have gone well and you'll be able to be part of a long-lasting relationship and hopefully breed into...
Get away from me, bitch. I don't like you anymore.
Breakup can be the worst part of dating.
But I don't even know your name.
Bill.
Oh.
Ow!
Wah! Wah!
Make sure if you are broken up with or break that you don't spend too much time worrying about it.
Man, I need to get liquored up.
Commit yourself to a quick, cheap relationship.
I was just kidding. Let's go get drunk.
Ooh! Where'd you go?
Try not to make the same mistakes you made before.
Wait a minute. Let's wait until at least 10 minutes after the first date began before we get laid.
You don't want to get cramps, do you?
I already got cramps.
Oh!
And I got crabs. And about any other disease you can mention. Do you mind that I'm, infected with diseases?
Get away. I'm going to Stephanie's.
Be sure to boil your date before using her.
Oh, is it hot in here?
I am when I'm done. I hate myself.
Would you like to have sex?
Oh.
Come here, you big log.
Yes.
Hey, that's my bitch.
Oh, we can do it together, all three of us. Sandwich me.
Yes, I want that. I want... Yes.
Oh, God, am I tired?
I feel so cheap.
I feel so used, and I enjoy it.
I loved every minute of it as well.